Hi, my name's Dave Patterson. I'm one of the professors here in the digital film program at Sault College. I'd like to show you guys inside our production studio, which is where a lot of our classes take place. Come on in. First things you notice when you come in the door is our film set right here, which is an area that we use for lighting and for filming throughout many of our production classes. This is sort of our lecture area. We normally have chairs out here during class times, and this is where we can show video clips and samples and just talk through different ideas. Over here you can see some of our cameras. You can see our dolly right here that are set up. Another big space over here, and we've got a few different lighting and grip odds and ends over here, for setting up different lighting equipment and backdrops and things like that. Right near the front door are props and a set decoration, and you can see wardrobe as well that we can use both in class and for student productions.